5 ways to blow your boss's mind on a regular basis. Professional development is a great way to get ahead at work. An old dog can always learn a new trick. Sometimes, though, getting ahead at work is about more than learning a new skill set. Sometimes it's about being an intuitive team player. Keying into basic understandings of work can allow you to stand out to your supervisor regularly. 1. Understand your employer's goals. You must know what the intended result is of every project, as well as the overall goal of the company. Once you understand where you're going, you can plan on how to get there. If you don't know the overall goal of your supervisor or company, do your own homework to track down the mission statement or talk to your supervisor. 2. Learn your boss's likes and dislikes. Does your boss prefer documents to be typed in a specific font and size? Learn that and do it, every single time. Does your boss believe that if you're not 5 minutes early, then you're late? Then be 5 minutes early, every single time. The likes and dislikes of your supervisor can go beyond the inane, so learn those likes and dislikes and do your best to stick to them. You don't want your hard work and excellent ideas to be buried because of a font type. 3. Show up for your team. Being ready and willing to jump in when your teams need you for the big and little things will show that you're a team player. It'll also show that you put the whole of the workplace before your own minor needs at work. Showing up for your team can also mean supporting individuals. Is Nancy's daughter fighting a nasty case of the flu? Offer to help her out with her workload while she's off of work. The favor might even be returned. 4. Be a problem solver. Taking the lead on solving problems big and small will show that you're willing to put in the work, not just point out the issues. This is also a wonderful show of leadership. When others see you working to solve problems, they'll be more likely to jump in and help. 5. Take initiative. Taking the initiative around the office comes in many forms. Problem solving is one form. However, this can mean emptying an overflowing trash can, filling the printer with paper, and offering to plan a monthly birthday party. Taking the initiative shows that you're not just at work for yourself, but that you care about others and the office. Blowing your boss's mind isn't tricky most of the time. Taking simple steps to learn about others and be conscientious of your workplace manners can go a long way.